Hi, are you here for an Uber?
Yes, finally.
Clearly.
Oh, what's your name?
Can you open the door, please?
What's the name?
Jennifer.
Oh my god.
Okay.
The door won't open.
Oh. I guess I have to press it. Why haven't you gotten a personal
Hello, how are you?
Yet?
What?
I can't believe you have to personal. Oh.
How's your day going?
I mean, could be better.
It's hot. Can you turn the AC on?
It's already on, actually.
This is why we don't take Ubers. I cannot believe your personal driver didn't come today.
My personal driver. It was supposed to be yours this time.
Well, the Escalade's in the shop. It's not my fault.
You guys have personal drivers?
You don't?
Yep.
No, I am a driver myself, though.
Right.
Good for you.
So, where are you guys off to today?
This is not working. I'm not gonna put.
Can you?
seatbelt on.
You need to wear a seatbelt.
She doesn't need to.
If you don't wear the seatbelt, I have to pull over. I'm sorry.
Whoa, the attitude. She's clearly not
Are you guys
comfortable.
okay?
It's not working. What do you want me to do?
Just put it on. It is a normal seatbelt. What do you like?
It's way too hot. I literally
you
can't
challenged?
have anything. It's suffocating me right now.
What? I'm trying to save gas,
Still
okay?
listening.
Inflation and gas prices. I can barely afford my gas already. Uber cuts the rates.
Well, life is hard, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't know. What are you doing back there?
Nothing.
You're really curious. Oh my god.
Oh my god, I know. Snacks.
Oh, I don't actually allow eating in my car. You can.
What do you mean? You want us to starve?
No, I don't have seat covers, so just don't eat
We're
in
on
here.
a schedule on when to eat. Our
You think you
dietitian
don't
told
know.
us when we need to eat, so we will eat.
Okay, well, I'll charge you a cleaning fee. It's only like $100. You guys I feel like you guys can afford it.
Are you freaking kidding me?
You're being really rude right now. Even though we
That's,
can't
like,
afford
really
it,
mean
that's
of
like
you.
none of your business.
It's
Okay,
already
well.
way too hot in here, so like I could complain about that.
Okay, I don't. The AC is already on. I don't know what you want me to do.
Honestly, you're the worst Uber driver we've
The
ever
worst
had.
Uber driver. I feel like I'm a normal guy. What do you mean?
You've been rude
This is
to
terrible
us,
service.
right?
Like since like the moment that we like walked in, like this is really bad. I hope you
And
know.
I thought we were
You're
being,
definitely
like-
not gonna get 5 stars.
Right?
Okay, well, I'm gonna rate you a 1 star too. You just cancel the ride?
What? What are you
No.
talking about?
You just cancel the ride.
Can you
Prove
please
it.
just keep driving and not
No,
talk to
you
us for the
literally
rest of the ride?
you're trying to scam me for a free ride right now.
Prove it. Let's see. Can you?
You're
are
you're
you
not on my.
stopping?
You can see right
Why
here.
is he
There's
stopping?
no.
We have somewhere to be. Can we go? Can you just keep driving?
You cancel the ride, so
know
I'm
we
not
did
going.
it. We've
Maybe
been
your
wait-
phone is doing something because your phone is not.
There's a witness right there. He can see it.
What?
Okay, we've been waiting for this hair appointment for like 2 weeks, so can you please just get it?
You guys are so entitled. You need to get out of my car right now. You can order another Uber or get your personal
We're not
driver
gonna
or
get
whatever.
another Uber.
Just
We're
get
already
out of the
here.
car. You want me to pull you out?
We're not leaving.
You need to get out of the car right now. Get out. Open the.
Let's just go.
Uber's gonna hear about this.
I'm reporting you.
Honestly.
Don't slam the door on your way out either. Oh.